Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a calendar using the Google Sheets with only a few seconds. So here, what you need to do is just go to the spreadsheets page, this page right here, and you can go to the template gallery and find the annual calendar template, this one. So click on a template and the new calendar template will be open like this. And now the year is currently this year is used the 2024, and this is the template, but you can always customize the theme by going to the format and go to the theme option. So you can also learn how to customize your calendar in here. You can use your personal style. You can explore 16 different themes. So you can just go to format menu and select theme. So in here, you can see there are lots of options that you can select it. And if you want to insert image, you can just use this insert and then go to image and then choose the this option, insert an image in the cells. So let's go to format and go to theme. This one here, you can see the current theme is the simple light. You can customize it in here. You can customize the font. For example, I'm going to change it into Comic Sans. Here you can also change the color of the text, the background, and you can also change the accent color. Click on done. Or here you can also find the theme in here. For example, I'm going to use this groovy color theme. Click on that option, close it, and let's see, the calendar will be changed. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.